Want to download CapCut on your Android phone? This video shows you how to install CapCut in under 1 minute. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. To begin the CapCut download, you will first need to find and open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once the Play Store is open, you should tap on the search bar to find the CapCut Video Editor app. In the search bar, you will need to type in CapCut and press search to find the official CapCut app. The official CapCut app, published by ByteDance, should appear as the first result for your CapCut download. You can simply tap the green Install button to begin the CapCut download and installation process on your Android. After a few moments, the CapCut app will be installed, and you can find it on your home screen to start editing. You can open and then start editing videos. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.